Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. At this time we are in a park here in Los Angeles, California. As you know, I'm having my vacation here for the past 1 month. In those days that had passed, I went to the Levi's store in CITADEL outlet store to make some exchange of what I have ordered on the first week of March. In the first week of March, I made an order from Levi's Kentucky. The items, actually I bought two items, which are the Sherpa Tracker Jacket in vintage fit, and they arrived after 6 days since the time that I ordered from Levi's USA. And what I've observed is that the size is small, which I ordered, is too big for me. And what I did is to ask my nephew to order another Sherpa Tracker Jacket, which is extra small. And when the extra small item from Levi's arrived, I found out that the said size, which is extra small, is exactly my right size for my body. And last few days, I went to one of the famous department stores here in Los Angeles, or here in the United States, which is the Macy's, and I found out that there is a Levi's department in their store at Glendale, Caleria. I found out also that they have their extra small tracker jacket Sherpa, and I tried some, and I found out that the extra small for me is the right size. 10 days ago to Citadel and asked them for an exchange, because in the website of Levi's I found out that they can allow, and they allow exchange if you're not satisfied with the size of what you ordered. So I went to Citadel and asked them if I can exchange my size small to extra small. Since they don't have that particular item in their store, they asked Levi's USA to change what I have ordered, and they are the ones who shipped the item and ordered the extra small for me. So after 7 days since I went to this store at Citadel in Commerce, California, the item arrived, and we're going to unbox this item from Levi's USA. This is the item, and I was able to monitor the arrival of this tracker Sherpa jacket, and as usual, Levi's USA is very efficient and professional in giving changes or exchange policy. So we're going to unbox the item. And now we have this jacket, which is in black. This is black, color black. They call it black Nuvali, and this is extra small, and everything is black. even the Sherpa. So the reason why I like the Sherpa is because the weather here in Los Angeles is very cold, and sometimes it's below 50 degrees, and I cannot withstand the cold temperature of uh, the environment. So I experimented in ordering the Sherpa, and I found out that the Sherpa jacket is very, very effective in controlling the temperature outside the house. So this Sherpa trucker jacket in vintage fit has black buttons. Everything is black, and I like the style black. Even the Sherpa polyester is black, and as usual it has a inside pocket. Even the leather patch is black. So it's nice. This particular item is made in Bangladesh, and it was manufactured in the 9th week, so March of 2022, last year. So since I'm here in the park, I'm going to fit this jacket immediately. I will remove my Brave Star jacket and put this aside. This park is very near to my house, and it is about 3 blocks away, and it is very accessible. I just walk from the house and I'm already here. I know that this extra small will fit me because I have tried this in the department store. So I'm going to stand. It looks like it is tight to my body since I'm wearing a hoodie, but it's just the right size. So you have 2 front buttons at the breast and 2 sides pockets as hand covers, and it's really nice. The arm's length is nice, it's just okay. And since the weather here in Los Angeles is sometimes 60 to 70 degrees, I can use the Sherpa jacket with only a shirt inside as my layer. So this will nice to combine with a black pants. I have a black pants from Brave Star and a black shirt maybe. So this is nice. So I'm wearing this Sherpa jacket without any hoodie, and it's just right size. Nice.